2010, Thermorobots, automatic coal-fired boilers of a new type, were created in Novosibirsk. Boiler rooms based on them generate heat without human labor. This is a new step in small-scale coal-fired power generation. Let's find out how these miracle machines are made. They are produced by the Thermal Machines Boiler Plant in close cooperation with Allied Enterprises. This is a modern, well-equipped, full-cycle production. At the production sites of the plant and its partners, bandsaws, labor and plasma cutting machines, sheet benders and rollers, turning and milling machines are installed. Frames are being assembled. Welding, electrical installation, painting works, and boiler fitting are being carried out. Here, all the main components of the boiler room are made. Insulated module, large replaceable ash pan, electrical cabinets, pump group, fan and smoke exhauster, coal supply unit, heat exchanger and boiler body, and burner with auger. And it all starts with an order. Employees of the sales department specify the purpose of the boiler room and confirm its parameters. According to the information received, engineers develop a thermal and electrical circuit, select equipment. Designers create a computer model of the boiler house. Completed drawings are transferred to production. In the meantime, rolled metal is supplied to the procurement site, which will turn into thousands of blanks for future boiler houses. Qualified employees work at the site, servicing modern digital machines. Sheet metal cutting is carried out on plasma and laser sawing machines. 5 bandsaws are used to cut pipes. Processing of blanks will continue at several sites at once. Parts will be cleaned, then given the desired shape on press brakes and roller machines. Reliable rotary couplings are machined on a high precision, and 3-meter screws are turned on the good old dip. The blanks are delivered to the welding area, where dozens of boilers are being assembled at the same time. The reliability and durability of the entire product depends on the quality of each seam. Therefore, welding is carried out in an atmosphere of inert gases using expensive modern semi-automatic devices. An efficient 5-way fire tube heater exchanger of the boiler is made on a Japanese welding robot. This is the body of the boiler. The length of the product is 3 meters. It is welded from hundreds of parts. A heat exchanger and other components will be installed on it. The thickness of the water-cooled wall of the furnace is 8 millimeters. There is an automatic linear burner Thermorobot in the furnace. Its 6 millimeter thick bed is water-cooled, and nozzles are made of stainless steel to increase reliability. This is a complex and important assembly, so it is made by the most experienced welders of the 6th tier. The design of the burner is protected by patents for inventions. QCD checks the quality of welding work. All hydraulic components and finished products are pressure tested. Each boiler is equipped with a large replaceable ash pan designed for mechanized ash removal. Let's move on to the framing section. Here, a steel frame is welded with a large coal bunker. This is a screw mechanism for feeding coal. Its design eliminates jamming, and the built-in crusher breaks even low-quality coal. This assembly is also patented. Thermal insulation and decorative casings are installed on the boiler. Electrical mechanisms and sensors are mounted. The furnace is lined with fire clay for better afterburning of burning gases. The boiler is ready. At the final assembly site, all elements are assembled together. Boilers and accompanying infrastructure, heat exchangers, circulation pumps, pipes are placed in the frame. Then the cables, electrical cabinets, and measuring instruments are added. A check is performed to make sure all mechanisms and automation systems are working properly. A high degree of automation is an important advantage of Thermorobot boiler rooms. In them, unmanned technology for burning coal and removing ash is implemented. Smart automation monitors the safe operation of all mechanisms, and the dispatching system allows one person to remotely control the operation of hundreds of Thermobot boiler houses. This completes the assembly of the modular boiler house Thermorobot. The frames will be covered with panels loaded onto trucks and sent to the customer. In 10 years, a bold, innovative idea has turned into a successful business. Today, it is a stable production with its own building, modern machine park, qualified personnel, and proven technologies. Thermorobot boilers are sold throughout Russia. The product is constantly being improved, and this allows the team to look to the future with confidence.